Now see the numerical problem related to Boyle's law, and the statement is a vessel of capacity 120 ml. Here 120 is the volume of the vessel, contains a gas at 35 degrees Celsius and 1.2 bar pressure. This gas is transferred to another vessel of the volume 180 ml at same temperature. We have to find the pressure of this vessel. Here 120 ml is the volume of first container, 35 degrees is the temperature, and 1.2 bar is the pressure of first vessel. Now the same gas is transferred to the another vessel of the capacity 180 ml. Here 120 ml is the volume of another vessel. As here temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, means temperature is constant, so we have to apply Boyle's law. So first of all, we have to write the things that are given in this statement. Here volume of first container, let this is V1 is given to you, that is 120 ml. Pressure is also given, that is P1, 1.2 bar. Also temperature is given, that is 35 degrees Celsius. For second vessel, volume is given, that is V2, 180 ml, and pressure, let us suppose that pressure is P2, that we have to calculate, and temperature is constant for these two vessels, that is 35 degrees Celsius. So here we have to apply Boyle's law, as the formula for the Boyle's law is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 at constant temperature. So here put the different values of P1, V1 and V2. We can easily calculate the pressure of another vessel by putting all these values. Here P1 is 1.2, V1 is 120, it is given to us. Here V2 is 180 ml. So by dividing this to 180, we can easily get the value of P2 here. So P2 is, so the value of P2 is, the value of P2 is 1.2 multiplied by 120 divided by 180. When we solve this expression, we get the pressure in another vessel is 0.8 bar. Hence, when we shift this gas into another vessel having the capacity 180 ml at same temperature, then the pressure of this gas would be 0.8 bar.